Okay, so this morning we are off on the bikes for a ride on the Verger. Well,
Ooh,
Tasha's on her scooter.
Long time since I've been on this.
She's...
This seat's not high enough.
Oh, problem number one. It's a lovely green trackway through the fields, through the trees.
They made it to the station, the old station. This is the end of the track for now. Just stopped for a quick break. Now we're going to go and find the town bakery and head back again before it gets too hot. But it's lovely and breezy today, and I know someone's enjoying herself. Come on, Dora, time to go back. That was a lovely bike ride. Back for about 11 o'clock. It's just starting to really warm up now. But as you saw, a lot of it was under trees. It was really nice, apart from me falling over in the gravel and scratching up my knees, my hands, my elbows, my pride. My main my main worry when I went down, we're going through a gravel car park and the gravel was just too deep and it just skidded and I couldn't stop. My main worry was falling on the dog, which I managed not to do. Yeah, just a bit bruised, a bit twisted. My arms hurt. I sprained my wrist, but yeah, I'll live. Nothing that a bit of rest, relaxation time, paracetamol and a couple of dips in the pool won't kill. But no, it was really nice. There's another really hot one today. So yeah, we haul up in the van again. But the mister has some good news from the garage.
I think so. Wow.
It looks that they're going to go ahead with the Wednesday appointment.
Yes. Although they are quoting me also for the not just the pads but the discs as well, so yeah, there's a high likelihood that we'll probably have to have both done. My arguing capabilities for the Frenchman are probably not high enough to discuss whether or not the disc really needs replacing or not.
I'd be surprised. It's only been 2 years, but do you know what? You can't put a price on safety.
But last year the same thing happened. They wore down and they would have been scoring the disc slightly.
The discs weren't changed last year, though,
they
were
weren't.
they?
No. Well, because we took it into a garage in Romania sort of last minute, and they just said we'll just replace the pads.
Yeah.
It might be that they actually genuinely do need changing, but obviously he's quoted me for the full lot, which is getting on €800.
Not good.
I think last time we had it done in France 2 years ago, it was 650 or something. So it's a lot of money, but I think I'm going to have to get a Haynes manual and some tools and learn how to replace these myself.
Yes.
Because they keep doing every year. Yeah, so hopefully repairs Wednesday.
Yeah, so today's Monday. Do some work, hauled up in the van. It's a bit pants when it's this hot. Because there's no real freedom. It's just too hot to do anything or go anywhere. It's only like 11 o'clock and nah. Hello, so we dragged ourselves away from the campsite this morning, reluctantly. Was hoping to have a little bit of a swim and a shower before we left, but my wrist has given me a lot of jip, so decided to rest it and just popped a bandage on it for now, just to stop me from just so it feels different, to try and stop me from using it, but the pain is something else. So we've decided when the van's in the garage tomorrow, Martin will probably drop me off at the local hospital, and I'll just see if I can get it x-rayed and checked out and see what's going on. But good news about the garage. It looks like appointment's been confirmed. They wanted to do the discs and the brakes. We've looked at the discs. They don't seem to be too bad, but it was going to take a week, wasn't it, to get the discs?
Yeah, it was a delay on the discs, and I basically said to them, look, I think the discs will be okay. They were only changed last year, actually 2 years ago, but they're still really in really good condition. There's a tiny lip on the outside, but the actual disc is almost immaculate. So provided we don't keep driving too much longer and using them on the metal, they'll be fine. So we're almost there now. So they've agreed to just do the discs tomorrow.
So we're just outside town. Very pretty little riverside park up. I'm actually feeling a bit sorry for myself at the moment, in a lot of pain. Taking paracetamol and ibuprofen, but it's not really touching it. So I'm just going to probably plug into my iPad and just watch some TV or something for the rest of the day, and just keep quiet and stay out of the mister's way so I don't annoy him.
It's not really hot now.
It is actually, yeah. It's cloudy today and it's much, much cooler. We had a bit of rain this morning, which was lovely. But yeah, definitely. I mean, it's still high 20s hot.
I think it's about 25, 26.
Yeah.
But...
It's still very humid. But yeah, the sun hasn't shown its face today, which actually I'm grateful for. So yeah, okay.
Yeah, it's nice to have a little bit of a break from it.
Isn't it? Absolutely.
just for a day or two.
Yeah.
You know.
Yeah, well, the further north we go, the better that will become as well.
So we've taken the van to the garage today in Montmorillon. The lovely city, wonderful.
No.
Not really. Tasha's been to the hospital to have her wrist looked at.
I have.
And how did that go?
No bones broken, which is really good. But what I think possibly happened was when I went down on my wrist, some of the bones kind of smacked together. So I've got bruised bones. So this is my new friend for the next 21 days. Fabulous.
That's lovely.
Bloomin' expensive. Bloomin' expensive. 41 euros, 35 quid. I mean, it's quality stuff, but 35 quid. But hey, I didn't have to pay anything in the hospital, so that's good. Whether we'll get a bill sent to us, I don't know.
Yeah, I bet we do.
I bet we do.
Anyway, so brakes are sort of done for now. They're still making a bit of a funny noise.
I'm not happy with the noise they're making, but you've only done a couple of miles.
Yeah, we'll see how it goes. Hopefully they'll bed in and it'll be all right. But yeah, strange. So from here we're just heading up towards the Loire. But yeah, it looks like we're back into all the towns and busyness, and
in the towns.
it's not very exciting.
To the country.
So we're going to go somewhere quiet, or just on
Maybe
the
we
edge
need
of
to go east or west rather than north.
all the little spots you put on the map. They're all along the Loire.
Maybe I don't want to go there anymore.
Well, maybe we'll do some of them and then shoot off quickly east and
maybe
go somewhere
I don't
quiet.
Go there anymore if it's like this.
We'll see. Anyway, we're going to just go about half an hour up the road and stop somewhere sort of a bit more country.
Yeah, definitely.
Right, cool.
This is so beautiful. They're so bright. Loves me a sunflower. You gotta love it when you can just stop the van, jump out and go and take some photos. Beautiful field. It's huge as well. I went around. Just trying to find the best flower. I love that he's got his passion back for photography. He always stopping these crazy places. It's like we used to. It's fab.
It's another hot one today. It's not too crazy. It's only in the high 20s, but we're we're catching all the sun at the moment. We can't really get out of it. We're shaded on one side, but look, we've just sprayed Boo down with water, and now she's sat on Mum's chest in front of the fan, just like sucking up all the cold air.
Can you see the face on it? Honestly, it's just
like,
pure bliss.
Yeah, look at this. Let's zoom into that face. Look at it. Not that one on the left, the other one. Yeah, it's just like, oh, look. All that cold air blowing across my wet ears.
What have we bred?
Oh.
You're an absolute madam.
She's loving it.
Diva.
She is absolutely loving it. Yeah, we decided not to go anywhere today. We're just going to hang around here and pick it up early tomorrow and go shopping, because it's bank holiday today, so a lot of places closed. And yeah, didn't want to just go to the air just to park up and then get up in the morning and go to the place, when we could just turn up tomorrow.
Yeah, that's it. And just pay
just
money.
pay for one day at the air.
Yeah, no point in paying money when you don't need to. We've
I know.
both got work going on today.
Tight gits, eh?
Too right. Look after the pennies.
So this is the services at the place we stayed for a couple of days, Archigny. It's only a simple thing, but it's completely free water and even electricity, I think. Yeah. I think it's amazing that you can get this stuff for free, because in the UK you don't get anything.
Another busy day on the roads of central France. Not a car in sight.
Crow.
It's a crow, yeah. Quick, of course.
Might not be, so it might be an eagle.
Steady on, we'll have a traffic jam.
Two eagles.
Roads like this, what makes it so hard when we come back to the UK, we actually do have to contend with traffic.
Bearing in mind it's just the middle of the day.
Yeah, what is it? Almost one. Beautiful sunflower fields.
I suppose they could all be having lunch.
Oh yeah, everything stops, doesn't it, between 12:30 and 3.
Yes, can do.
Extended lunch breaks I like to have. I adore these little French farming villages, towns. So pretty. But there's never anyone around. We thought before it was because we've always been out of season, but you know, it's August and it's still super quiet. Could just be everyone's on holiday.
Head into the roundabout after 800 metres.
They're just so quaint.
Still hot in this van, but look what I made. It's mole marinade.
Moles marinade.
I went shopping today and saw the mussels and couldn't resist it. What are you doing? Have you been sniffing the mole?
I have.
Yeah, feel that wine vapour going to your head. Yeah, so looking good. Look at that. They've all opened as well, nicely.
Looking fabulous.
What do you reckon? You love these, don't you?
I absolutely love mussels. Yes.
Shame I didn't remember to buy the potatoes to make the frites, but never mind.
we got
bread.
Compromise.
We got bread.
Compromise.
What do you reckon, B? And you're like, what the hell is that smell? You can see there's a spider here. You can't see it on here, but
It's huge.
that is big. And I don't know, forgive you context, it's about 2.5 inches long. Oh my god, that's massive.
So we've walked down to the chateau to find out it's €13 each. Walk around a piss and wet garden. There's one we're looking to go to that's got a very impressive garden, and this is did I say €11 each?
13.
€13 each. So I think actually probably going to sack this one off, maybe have a little wander around the town.
I mean, if we could go inside, it would be probably okay, but yeah, probably not very. We might just go for a little wander around the town, maybe see if we can see this from the back.
Yeah.
There's a more impressive view from back there.
Okay.
And this is the best bit of coming back after the rain, isn't it? You get a rub. She's like, she really doesn't like getting wet, but
Oh, that, I don't need kisses, it's fine. I know it's good, but you don't need to give me kisses.
yes, I do.
You
I
don't
need to
need
share
give
it
me
with you.
kisses.
Let's have a look at that fluff, Bailey. Oh
Is
yeah,
that better?
a little bit drowned, but not too bad.
Is that better?
Oh, that's horrible weather out there.
It's like being in the UK, it's filthy.
I've forgotten what it was like when it rains.
Yes, I know.
Disgusting, isn't it?
Especially when it's hot and it's sweaty as well.
Yeah,
You're
it's
just
not
like,
nice.
Yeah, you get damp, but it's really humid and it's just
Yeah, I'm
uncomfortable.
sweaty and wet. What a great combination. This morning, well, it's lunchtime. We're heading off to Château Villandry, which is just over in distance there. We're going to have a look round, go for a walk around the gardens. It's cloudy, not too much sun today, so not too hot. So should be a nice day.
Just so perfectly manicured. Look at this. Stunning. Never seen gardens quite this perfect before. We've even got some swans on the lake. Currently in the herb garden. Thanks for joining us once again on another eventful week on our tours in central France. Join us again next week and see what we get up to. In the meantime, please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. We appreciate your time and watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it, and until next time, we'll see you then.